Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node, JSLTS, Firebase CLI, and an existing Firebase project. Once done, open your project folder and run Firebase login to authenticate. Next, run Firebase init and choose hosting. Make sure to select the correct project ID. When prompted, set your public directory to your app's build folder and answer whether you want a single-page app rewrite. These steps initialize configuration files and connect your local repo to Firebase hosting. Once initialization is complete, build your web app with npm run build or the framework-specific command. Make sure the generated files land in the directory you declared during Firebase init. Then inspect and edit Firebase. JSON, add rewrites for client-side routing, set cache control headers for assets, and include redirects if needed. Make sure your index HTML is present. Finally, test locally with Firebase Serve or Firebase emulators. Start to validate routing and assets before deploying. Now deploy. Run Firebase deploy only hosting and watch the output for success confirmation and site URL. Once deployed, visit the URL and verify routes and assets. If something breaks, make sure your public directory contains the built index HTML and that rewrites are correctly configured for client routing. When errors persist, run the hosting emulator, inspect browser console network requests, and check Firebase logs for permission or missing file errors. Make configuration changes locally, rebuild, and deploy again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.